Welcome to Tech Leveler, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to hide any recently deleted applications on your iPhone. So if you've deleted any applications, people can still see what you've actually used or downloaded even when they've been deleted. So you may want to hide them for privacy reasons. So first what you want to do is you want to head over to the App Store, and with the App Store open you want to click your little profile symbol here in the top right hand corner, and then you want to tab into Purchased. This works even if you're using free applications. And you see the top here, All and Not on this iPhone. You want to tab on Not on this iPhone. And this will bring up all the recently deleted applications. As you can see today I've deleted NASA. And to hide it so no one can see that you've actually downloaded and deleted NASA, you want to swipe to the left on the app and this will bring up this extra menu, Hide. And you want to tap on Hide and this will hide this application from this list. So no one will know that you've actually downloaded and deleted that application. I hope you found this video helpful and it helps you hide any recently deleted applications. And if it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.